man. Guys, 2 minutes. How is it? Going on?
To implement the NPR, the pressure gauge is our team leader in the production, Charlie.
Share with my team as well as to implement
That we are on working on
the knowledge I gained from this training as
And you will be the next leader from this training.
And
Thank you. And it's a 10.
It was very, very
Thank
good.
you.
It was very good training, and inshallah.
Improve by responsible for
Yeah,
you are a superman.
thank you.
Good knowledge, positive energy, and my mindset changed to more
Remarkable.
safety
I
side.
like that.
I have so many training in my life, but this is entirely different. Your procedure and your giving the knowledge to feed in the brain. This
And from this training, guys, you put too much positive potential in us. You had
All trainees enjoyed learning from you, and you are a great. And it's a great teamwork, and we hope we'll have more projects, ventures with you. Thank you so much.